ain't sober. Tryna be cool, but I go hard for the culture. Tryna be cool, but I go hard for the culture. Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Janae Brittany. And if you are returning, welcome back. But today I will be doing I don't even know what to call this. Unpackage with me. I don't even know. I'll figure it out. But I ordered a wig from Tinashe Hair. Tinashe, however you want to say it. I don't know. I say Tinashe. And I think my Shein packages came too. So I can show y'all that too. But I forgot what I ordered. Ooh, it's not giving what it was supposed to get. You know what? I'm gonna trust the process. I'm not even gonna judge it yet. But anyways, I guess this could be a review. And I'll probably do the Shein stuff on another video. But it came with this cute little pink bag. Say they brand name, you know. And inside of the bag, they had a booklet. Tinashe clippers, like to hold your hair back, I'm guessing. They gave me a rat tail comb. And they gave me 2 wig caps. And then of course, the wig. This wig is a 13 by 4 lace front wig. It's 20 inches. And the density is 180. I don't even remember if this was deep wave or water wave. But we gonna see. Because, hold on. I'm scared. Like, cause look how it's looking. Okay, it don't have a smell to it though. So I guess that's good, right? The only thing that I'm not liking though, I'm about to show y'all. I don't like how, y'all can't really see it, but it's like supposed to be a natural color, but it's like brown pieces in it. Y'all really cannot see it in this camera. Wow. Damn, hold on. Like, look at this. I don't know if y'all can be able to see it. You really can't see it. But anyway, it's like streaks of like a brownish, blondish type of situation. Okay, but this is the wig. Okay. Easy to comb through. It's shedding a little bit. But all hair sheds, so I'm not really tripping about it. Yeah, it's bouncy. It don't stink. It really don't stink, which is shocking because usually curly hair be stinking. This is a 20 inch, like I said, 180 density. I don't think the knots are bleached. We're about to see. Now I'm still debating on if I want to put it in myself or take it to get it put in, just because the knots are bleached actually. You know what? I'm new to this wig stuff, so I can't really tell if the knots are bleached. But won't the knots be bleached if, like, it's not black, right? So I think the knots are bleached. But I think I'm going to still go over it again because it look real white. But it's a good hairline. Okay, wig. Okay. I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Just because them streaks I told y'all about. Now inside the wig we got adjustable straps on both sides. So you could like make it tighter if you need it to be tighter. And then it's 4 combs inside of it. So it's 2 on each side. 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom. And yeah, like I said, it's a 13 by 4 lace front. I should have got 13 by 6, but I was on a budget and I had to get what I had to get. But besides that, it seemed pretty good. Okay, I think I could put this in myself. Low key, I'm thinking. I look like Prince. Curly ass hair. But you know what? It looked real good. It's real bouncy. Don't mind my little synthetic hair underneath it. But it's like real bouncy. Okay, I'll give it like I'll give it a 9 out of 10. It's real light too. Like, it's not heavy. It's real soft. And this is my first time shopping with them. And I got, this wig was originally $220. I got it for $194. And I ordered it, it was supposed to get here on the 10th, which is tomorrow. But I ordered it on the 2nd of December, and it got here on the 9th. And I express shipped. Actually, I didn't express ship it because they had free shipping. So it just took that quick to come. So, yeah, I give it a 10 out of 10. The lace is really good. Okay, I like it. I give it a 10 out of 10.
That masterpiece, no limit, baby. You get that black car, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. No limit. I see murder that, no limit, baby. You get that ghetto D, girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. So if you've never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you better than. No, just let me hold you. You be my soldier. On decline, you roll with me and we shine, baby we shine, yeah, little mama we shine. Just pick a destination. Go ahead, show me you can get like everything. Show me like any car, any house, baby you can get like any ring, anything. Then I can knock it down all through the night, all through the day. Yeah, I knock that pussy out, baby you call the Sugar Ray. I may not know you, just let me hold you. You be my soldier, like you from the north. Do it. No limit, baby. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby.
Okay, I gotta vlog. Okay, now I just gotta pluck it because it's giving sitting. That's what it's giving. It's giving we're sitting. So I'm about to go through and pluck it. And then I'll be back because my camera is running out of storage. So. Okay, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all can understand what I was doing because this is my first time putting a wig on, and as y'all can see, it's looking good, but like it could be better, but it's okay because like I said, it's my first time for real putting on a wig. It's a wet and wavy wig, but I don't think I want to wet it right now just because I like the poofy look more. So I'll probably wet it like in a minute, but I want my top to be real flat, so that's what I'm doing now. Another thing is this hair needed plucking, like major plucking. I thought hair already came plucked, but no, this hair needed major plucking. Besides that, it was real good, but like I said, major plucking, and I bleached the knots, of course. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, let me show y'all the back. And it's a 20-inch. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.